Hey everybody, Brandon with Orlando Vacation Homes. I'm out here today in Paradise Palms. If you're looking for an amazing short-term rental, super close to the parks with a ton of amenities to offer, you're going to want to stay tuned. All right, so like I said, we're out here today in Paradise Palms. We're just about 15 minutes from Disney, which when you're looking for a short-term rental, that's going to be a really great selling point for people that are coming in the area. Paradise Palms, a huge community, and it has townhomes as well as single-family homes. Right behind me, you've got the 9,500 square foot clubhouse, ton of amenities. You've got the pool out there with the waterfall, grotto, tennis courts, basketball courts. They have a 46-seat movie theater. So these are a lot of great things that you're going to be able to market when you're putting it on Airbnb or wherever you're going to be doing the rentals. Today we're going to be looking, there's a 4-bedroom townhouse actually with a pool, which is super rare, but again, another great selling point for your short-term renters. We're going to check that out. It's right now listed at $400,000, just under at $399. They also have the single-family homes. There's only one available right now, which is a really good sign for a community, and that's listed in the 560s. If you have any questions about this or any other short-term rental, go ahead and hit our information down below, and we'd be happy to help you. All right, welcome everybody to Paradise Palms. So just to give you a little background on this, we're out here in Kissimmee, and to get to Disney are about 15-20 minutes. You just head up to 192 and then basically cross over into Disney property. The way Paradise Palms is set up, there's two different types of homes in here. There's townhomes, which are 4 and 5 bedrooms, and the single family homes. The more popular between the two in this community are the townhomes because you're still getting the size that you need. And actually all of them have private pools in the back, which is kind of a cool feature for a townhome. You're not going to be swimming laps in it. As you'll see in a couple minutes here when we do the walkthrough out back, you'll be able to see the size of it isn't great, but it's still definitely attractive for your vacation renters that are going in there that want to have a little bit of something to cool off in the summer. So these were built anywhere from 2009 to 2014 is how the community was. So mostly everything still has a little bit more of a modern aesthetic. It wasn't built in the early 2000s, and some of the owners have done a really good job with actually, flipping the units before they have put them back on the market. Going back out here, this is where you're going to see the back patio area and the screened in, and there is the pool. So like I said, it's not anything huge, but in terms of amenities that you can offer your renters, it's still good for them to have a private pool, and it's not going to be as much as them renting a 4 or 5 bedroom single family home. And you can even have 2 families rent this and split it, and you'll be able to keep your occupancy high and be able to keep generating that revenue night after night. So you can see this one is actually a little bit more updated. They've done nice with the white cabinets and the granite countertop. Paradise Palms itself, like I said, was built in between 2009 to 2014, and the amenities here are one thing that people really like. The clubhouse is great. They've got a movie theater up there. The pool has a splash pad and a waterfall. They have tennis courts, basketball courts, volleyball courts. So these are all really good things that you can advertise out on Airbnb or VRBO. Because in addition to proximity to the parks, there's going to be some families that don't want to go spend $2,000 for the day at Disney. So they want to have some flexibility to be able to stay at, the place that they're staying, whether that's the resort or whether you're Airbnb, to where they can save a little cash, still have fun with the family, but not necessarily break the bank. This one that we were looking at, it is the townhome setup. This is the 4-bedroom setup. So you do have the downstairs bedroom with the bathroom right off of that. So if they're bringing grandparents or any older guests with them, they don't have to make the stairs. And then as you can see, these are some themed rooms. So that was Frozen. This one is a Star Wars room. They got the little Baby Yoda pillow on the bed. And like I've said in previous videos, this having a themed room is good for them because it kind of puts people in the mood. It's a little bit more attractive. If they can't stay right on property, they're at least going to get a little flavor. So if you have any questions about this or any other vacation rentals in the area, we do target a lot of Airbnb and VRBO communities. We'd be happy to help you. 407-325-0846. You can call or text at that number, and we'd be happy to help you out. See you on the next one.